Welcome back to the Greyson Enterprise YouTube channel, where today we'll be talking about the second part of our two-part video series, The Elements and Principles of Art and Design, where today's focus will be on the principles. If you've been with us since part 1, you already know that these elements and principles are your secret weapon to being awesome in design. And now we're about to unlock a whole new level of design mastery. In our previous video, we covered the elements, which are the foundational components that give your design structure and form. But now in part 2, we're going to be shifting our focus to the principles. These are your guiding principles that breathe life and vitality into your design. Hi, I'm Angelina, the social media manager at Greyson Enterprises. With a passion for creativity and a knack for design, I specialize in crafting visually captivating content. The first principle we'll explore is balance. Balance is all about distributing visual weight in a composition. It can be symmetrical, where elements are evenly distributed, or asymmetrical, where there's a deliberate imbalance that still feels visually harmonious. There is also radial symmetry, in which elements are equally spaced around a central point. Next up, we have contrast. This principle is about creating visual interest by placing opposing elements near each other. Think light against dark, large against small. Contrast adds depth and makes your design pop. Emphasis is all about drawing attention to a focal point in your composition. It's like giving your audience a visual cue on where to focus. This can be achieved through color, size, position, or other design choices. Next up, we have movement. This principle brings a sense of motion and energy to your composition, and it guides the viewer's eyes through the design, creating a dynamic visual experience. Proportion is about the relationship between different elements in your composition. It ensures that everything feels balanced and appropriately scaled. It's what gives your design a sense of harmony and realism. Now let's talk about rhythm. Just like in music, rhythm in design creates a flow that guides the viewer's eyes. It's about repeating elements or patterns to create movement and visual interest. And last but not least, unity or variety is a dynamic duo. Unity brings cohesion to your composition, while variety adds interest and keeps things engaging. It's the perfect balancing act between familiarity and surprise. And there you have it, the principles of art and design, your roadmap to creating visually beautiful and stunning designs. From balance to unity, these principles are your guiding lights in the world of design. And remember, it's not about knowing these principles, but it's about how you apply it in your own creation. Whether you're designing social media, graphics, marketing materials, or even a personal project, these principles will be your best allies. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with more tips, tricks, and insights to fuel your creative journey. Thank you for joining me in this two-part video series learning about the elements and principles of art and design. I can't wait to see what you'll all create, and remember to keep pushing your design boundaries.